start the video, Dan?
I am.
Start the video. Well, it's breakfast time for most of us. Grumpy Dan. Still damn it Dan, but Grumpy Dan. And y'all got to see how yesterday started, y'all. Check this out. Oh my gosh, y'all. If you happen to have caught that North Carolina trip, yeah, the beginning stages of that one absolutely sucked. What should have been an 8-hour drive was kind of like a 15-hour drive. And it kind of looks like we're running into the same thing now. So we got rain, we got traffic, just trying to make our way to Georgia for this Sea Island Resort show this weekend. Plus it's like a mini vacation. And I don't know if we ever gonna get there with this. Yo, I don't even remember what time I recorded that other clip. But apparently it's been long enough for us to go delusional. And we're still stuck in this rain and traffic. Bruh. This was supposed to be like a 3.5-4 hour drive. Coming up on hour 6.
I don't like it.
Jason don't like it.
Pee.
Yeah, so the trip was rough, but we're here. Yes, getting it. We got a show later on, so the show's gonna be good. Check it out, Sea Island, Georgia. Get up. Yo. What's up?
You know what would be a good part of that video? Tell us about your drive last night.
We about set up, ready to go live with a sound check. We got the fellas.
Hey, I want water.
Yes, please. Oh shoot! Yeah. Look, Gabe got us water, bro. What a gentleman. Drop a thumbs up for Gabe hooking us up to water.
Bring that up here.
Yes. Yeah, it's gonna be a good one. We're gonna get back to work setting up some sounds, do a sound check. Ooh, we got special water, Sea Island. Yes. So let's get back at it. So shout out to the fellas, AVL Productions. Bro, this system is gonna be something serious tonight. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. The decoration is dope. They pretty festive. However, this coconut tree. The coconut tree, I don't know what kind of vibe I'm getting. Y'all tell me. All right, I'm playing. Back to work.
Thank you, brother man.
Sweet. Oh. to rescue me from reaching for the bottle and brought me back from being tomorrow. Sing with me. Oh, as smooth as Tennessee whiskey. Wake up, my darling, and don't you sleep tonight away. The sun will rise in and now sun dawning on new day. My baby and me will be together for eternity. Fighting and fussing will become, oh darling, she's singing, hugging in the tropical sun. I say, Tamarigita Hiti, Oirori Paena, Aribuai Mugi, Aribuai Bauti Aro, Bauti Ina, Tamure Tamure, Tamure, Tamarigita Hiti, Oirori Paena, Aribuai Mugi, Aribuai Bauti Aro, Bauti Ina, Tamure Tamure, Hey! Between shows, second show's coming up. Round two. They want a selfie.
They're doing their own selfie back there.
Oh, look at this. Look at this.
You gotta make it higher. I will.
Hold on.
Okay. Guys, turn around. They don't want to see.
They don't want to see our selfie, y'all.
3.
Alright. So yes, showtime coming up. Everybody's still chilling. Tell him what's up, bro. Yo, bro.
Hi.
Okay, wait, we gotta take another picture.
Here.
Oh, they're for real. We gotta talk to the tick. They're for real about this? Y'all saw last time we did a TikTok. The girls nailed it, but now they want us. I'm sorry, what was that? Can you do that again?
No, you're supposed to hold your leg.
Get silly.
Get silly. I thought the boys were getting in on that. Oh, see, he's got his own thing over there. She's standing up there.
Do that in the background.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And I'll just go like this.
What are you doing?
I like.
Epic fail, bruh. All right, showtime. Let's get it. And we finally made it back, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, we about done with the rain. But back here in the great state of Florida. Thank y'all so much. Sea Island, Georgia. Sea Island Resort, something like that. Awesome show. Awesome audience. Jason's still going at it. Like he's been doing all weekend. But as always, y'all, we appreciate y'all coming through, sharing the memories, sharing the love. Till next time, peace. Oh yeah. Subscribe up there.
One over there too.
Over there?
It'll be there.
Yeah, Jason's gonna put something over there. But yeah, y'all, peace.